Hi, I'm Nikki and I'm at a marina near Tornio in Finland.
Finland?
Finland.
Thought you said we were in Sweden.
We went to Sweden.
Oh.
Then we came out again.
Oh.
Now we're back in Finland.
Oh, for God's sake. And what's the time?
I don't know, because Sweden is on the same time as Norway, which is an hour ahead of the UK, but Finland is 2 hours ahead of the UK. So did we gain an hour or lose an hour when we went into Sweden, and then the other way around when we came back into Finland?
It's mind-blowing. We went across the bridge. The watch went forward an hour. We found a campsite. It was 1.5 miles away from where we were in Sweden, and it said it was going to take an hour and 5 minutes to get there. Oh, you can make it up. Anyway, this morning we went to Roviani.
We did?
Not before we had a nice night in Lapland, and Nikki getting some lovely photos of the Christmassy place that we stayed at last night. Mm-hmm. And then this morning, like I say, we whipped into Roviani, and what a nice city that was, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was modern, but that's because there wasn't much left of the city after the Second World War.
No, sadly, the Germans burnt it down as they retreated.
I was trying to be discreet on that.
Well, tell it how it is, it's history. No one likes history sometimes, but it is what it is. Yeah. So they've rebuilt it, and it's a really, really lovely place. I know I've got friends that are coming to bring their children there for the Christmas experience, and it's lovely. But then we hit the road after.
We did?
Yeah. And this is how our day went. Of course, before we hit the road, Nikki did have to go and visit Santa again and do a little bit of shopping. Did you buy anything, Nikki?
Yeah, I bought this cute little fella. He's coming back to England with me.
Oh, God. Yeah, I mean, oh, how lovely. How lovely.
He's cute. You wanted one.
Have you got a name for him? Her?
I thought I might call her Ruth.
Nikki bikes the Arctic.
That is freezing. How are you enjoying the drive, darling?
Well, do you remember when we were stuck in traffic in Germany?
Yes.
And you had to take over?
Yes.
That drive was more exciting than this drive. So far, all we've seen is trees, and people look at me as if I'm in a zoo.
Yeah.
But I've had to stop and check the motorhome and make sure there's nothing wrong with it. Because people are so
shocked to see you on the wrong side in the van.
Us driving this van through this remote part of Finland where clearly no one else covers, because there is a major road just over there. We've chosen the
scenic route.
The non-scenic.
The monotonous route. Hi, I'm Nikki, and I'm in Sweden.
Sweden?
Sweden?
What are we here for then?
Well, there's a very famous store that comes from Sweden.
I've been had. I've come all this way to Sweden, and there's a big blue brick with yellow writing on it called Ikea.
But we're also going to have a look at their alcohol shop.
Are we?
And their sweetie shops.
Okay. So just across the border? Yeah?
Yeah, just across the border.
Oh, at least it's another country to tick off the list, I suppose. But don't make me go to Ikea. It's bad enough that I get dragged to Ikea in Warrington.
Double hot dog?
We're going to look and see if they got them in Ikea. Here she goes. That's Prosecco.
Yeah, they've got
Got a caver. Having the time of her life. I know, Santa one day. Alcohol shopping the next day.
South Africa. Oh, it's only 7% that one though.
Oh. In the spirits now.
Yeah.
Wow.
Vodka behind you. It's too expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah, well, absolute vodka, that's...
Expensive.
Yeah, well, absolute vodka, that's 249. It's about 20 quid for 700 ml.
It's still there.
In selection.
You're not impressed with the vin selection?
No.
They've got more than there. So the Jim Beam is like 20 quid, 22 quid. And the real stuff, Jack Daniels. So we've got nice Copperberg pear cider. But it's 20.90, what's that mean?
So that's, the 10 is 80p.
Oh, it's 160. Nearly 240. Less than 240. Yeah. It's not bad.
Not too bad at all.
Might have a couple of them.
Using one cider.
Well, if we get a sunny day. Maltesers. 60. 60.
60, that's quite expensive. 10 is 80p.
So it's £8. That's about 6 quid. No, it's not quite that, is it? 8.6 is, oh, okay. That's about a 5. Whatever she says about it, it smells absolutely amazing. It smells really nice.
So 50 is about £4.
Yeah, so what's £4? What have you found now?
I haven't.
What have you found?
Travel sweets.
Travel sweets. We live with these things. They're made in Germany.
They're about £3.20.
They're sold in garages up and down the UK.
Oh, I'm having the caramel drops. What are you having?
Strawberry drops there.
They've got strawberry, they've got the raspberry and peach, they've got the mint chocolate,
No, strawberry drops, please.
and they've got the cola.
Strawberries. But that's more expensive in the UK. Look at this pick and mix. So I've succumbed and I'm now about to enter a real life Ikea in the country of its birth. So you're getting some swinging heather again?
How much do you want?
I'll just get one.
Just get one, but then we'll need a plant pot.
No, you don't need a plant pot, you can use the wine again.
That's a sort of big one.
Come on then.
Okay.
The meatballs are this way. Here we are, look. This is what life becomes when you come into Ikea. You have to follow those arrows. I think you are bang out of order.
I'm just following you. I'm just following
Well, I'm
you.
following the arrows.
I told you we should ask the lady where the shortcut was. How much is that?
So because we bought heather, you now have to buy a plant pot. Is that a plastic one?
Yeah, it's a plastic one. Will she fit in that one? Let's just check the head will fit in there. It's too big. Perfect.
Are you getting two, are you?
Yeah, we've got other heather as well, haven't we?
What? We've got Norway heather
Norway heather.
and Finland heather. Well, we haven't got Finland heather because you're in Sweden.
Oh, well, shall I get another one then in case we buy one from Finland? We can never have too many flowers.
Tell you, when the swingers are knocking on the door later and pampas grass has been replaced, you're in trouble. I'm not answering. You spent £8
Excellent. That's a
on
bit of
plant
a,
pots
That's a bit of a bargain at Ikea.
and Scandinavian swinging material. This is the problem with this place. Once you get in, you can't get out. Now she wants something else. What is it you want now? What? Lingonberry jam. What? Are you getting it or not? Can we go then? You sure? Thank you. Praise the Lord. And this is what it's all about. The Ikea hot dog. Can we go now? So it's another matkapaki.com tonight. Lovely little place this. It's like a converted, well, it's a boatyard. And it's got crazy golf. It's got fire pits. The chap that was here when I arrived, because it's all done via the app, but the manager was actually here, which was useful because I couldn't get the code to get the electric. But he was absolutely so proud that they were building a sauna. And this is a really beautiful place, just out looking the Baltic Sea. So yeah, very happy with this little spot. About 25 quid a night. So, and that brought us to where we're staying. And as I've just shown you, a lovely place it is too, do you think?
Yes, very nice.
And Ruth has changed the name to Rupert in the course of this video.
Gender change as well.
Gender change to Rupert. Okay. And yeah, so Sweden, what can you say? It's cheaper.
We didn't really see much of Sweden, to be fair, did we?
Yeah.
We saw a shopping centre and an Ikea.
Yeah, but it was cheaper. There were things that were cheaper in Sweden.
Fuel was quite a bit cheaper.
Fuel was cheaper.
Cheaper than the UK.
Alcohol was cheaper.
Cheaper than Norway and Finland.
Yeah. So, little journey in there. Another country off the list.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's about it. Tomorrow, we continue south. Catch you then.